Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about some advantages and disadvantages of using an eyeliner. But before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss another update from us. Just click on the subscribe button below this video and press the bell icon. So let's get started. Here are 5 advantages of using an eyeliner. Point number 1. It enhances the beauty of your eyes. Point number 2. It makes your eyes look more attractive. Point number 3. It makes your eyes look big. Point number 4. It makes your eyes look sharp. And point number 5. It gives a smoky effect to your eyes. Having said that, let's press onto the 5 disadvantages of using an eyeliner. Point number 1. It can react to some sensitive eyes. Point number 2. It increases expenditure. Point number 3. It can become a daily habit. Point number 4. It may have some harmful ingredients mixed to it. And point number 5. Daily use of it can cause pain in the eyes. So these were some advantages and disadvantages of using an eyeliner. You can know about some beauty tips by clicking on the link below in the video description. I hope you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by now. If not yet subscribed, then kindly click on the subscribe button below the video and press the bell icon. I hope the merits and demerits of using an eyeliner were very clear to you. I will meet you next time. Till then, bye-bye.